Repulsor common mode inductor winding machine ensures neat and uniform winding in both forward and reverse directions, saying goodbye to messy winding. Are you still troubled by the unorganized winding, low efficiency, and unstable quality of common mode inductors? Precise and consistent winding is the key for common mode inductors to exert excellent EMI suppression performance, whether in forward or reverse winding. Our equipment can ensure that each turn of enamel wire is tightly, evenly, and smoothly arranged on the magnetic ring, completely eliminating looseness, crossing, and stacking. The wind inductor coils greatly enhance the product image. Neat winding means more consistent coil parameters, such as inductance and distributor capacitance, significantly improving the electrical performance consistency and anti-interference ability of common mode inductors. Say goodbye to human dangers, such as intruder and short circuits and insufficient voltage resistance caused by messy winding, and greatly reduce the production defect rate. XIEP, you is with you, working together for mutual benefit.